Hi guys, welcome to the channel. It's a bit overcast today, but it's not raining, so that's a good thing. If it's your first time joining us on this villa build, then I'll quickly spin you around, as I do occasionally. That is what we are aiming to build, basically. Progress is moving on quite well. I'm hoping they are going to crack on soon, a bit more with the inside and start getting it tidied up a bit, so we can look at start getting some furniture and stuff in there. But we'll see. But let's go on up and have a quick look. We'll show you what's been happening since my last vlog. So no painters or anything back at the moment. There's a couple more bits of the fencing to be put on, just on the end here. Just to explain, basically, so about 3 meters down, so from roughly about where this stick is here, all the way across, that is where the first gate is going to be, which will be basically sealing off for the villa itself. And then we're going to have two big bays over here and over here, turning area just over there, with other areas where we can plant some flowers and stuff and bits and pieces, but we'll go through that at a later date. This area over here, I'll just quickly explain. I was going to put my bar and chill area in here, but at the moment I've decided to leave it. I'm going to just put this to grass for now, and then I'll do that at a later date. Not 100% sure exactly what I want to put in there yet, so yeah, we'll wait and see on that. So right then, just have a quick look. There's something going on around here. So it looks like they're just chiseling out a bit more to get the drainage sorted all the way through. I'll take you for a full tour of the house today. So basically, it's like I said, if it's your first time joining us, it is a 3-bedroom, 3 bathroom, 2 inside and 1 outside pool villa. So we've got a urinal out here, basically just for us blokes for ease. Let's have a look in here. We've got a very small little bathroom in here, which I must admit, I quite like this bathroom. The bathrooms are pretty much the same. It's the same toilet. The basins are different in the other two, but pretty much the same design. It's like a design we have in our house we've got in Numpong, and we basically it worked there, so we thought we'd continue it here. So this will be the little pump room, basically, for the swimming pool. We've got one fuse box out here which basically controls a lot of the swimming pool stuff, plus a lot. I've got power which goes across and over there, which eventually that'll be all livened up, so you know, obviously I'll have power in my bar and stuff, but like I said, that'll be done at a later date. So out here we have got the outside shower, so that's all ready to go. I think I might look at tiling this wall as well. I just think obviously having a shower in there with the water and stuff, and this switch will be changed basically for a waterproof one. Now I found out what this one is. I didn't quite know what this switch was, but this switch basically the electrician has put it in as an extra switch to turn the lights in the pool on and off, apparently. So yeah, but apparently the pool is going to be basically have a remote control system for it, which will control the lights. So it's, you know, just a remote control basically. But he's put that on there just in case we lose the controls. So the pool itself, obviously if you've been on the channel before, you'll know, and sorry if I'm waffling on about it, but this is for all the guys and girls and what have you which haven't tuned in before. The pool is 8 meters by 3 meters by 1.3 meters deep. It's an infinity edge pool, as you can see. And basically, if I zip round the other side there, I'll just show you the front edge. Now the pump system on this one is a brand new type of system apparently. It's not one that they have used before. It is basically, it will run 24 hours and it's basically monitors its own water. In the aspect of it will slow or speed the pump up however as much as it needs. Now I haven't seen it yet, it's not arrived, we're still waiting for it to arrive. Now this front edge here, that will go all the way along. The water basically will constantly flow up and over this edge, so it just gives like a rippled effect off of it. Obviously that's all got to be tiled out inside, but let's go on in and have a look. I'll quickly take you round inside. So the tiling is going in now. We've gone for, basically it's a wood effect tile and it's a herringbone effect, which I must admit the chap here doing it, he's not too happy about it because he says there's so many cuts, but he's doing a cracking job. I'll show you in a sec. So this edge for the pool here, that is actually a sandstone, and that sandstone edge will be chamfered off and rounded on the edge of that, so just to make it all smooth. So as you can see at the moment, the edges, they're, you know, a little bit sort of misshaped, and basically that's why. So they will cut like a ball nose or rounded edge on those. So let's go in and have a quick look. So we've got two big sliding doors on the actual house itself. Obviously they open right up to slide into one door, so it gives us quite a nice big open area. Sorry about the noise guys, can't be helped, it is a building site, so he'll finish cutting his few tiles. So this is the master bedroom. The bed will be sat this way, looking that way. I have a TV unit and stuff over the back there. Not that I tend to watch TV in there too much. So yes, this is the main bedroom, so bedroom number one. We have a dressing area here. Basically we'll have a wardrobe on this back wall with probably a seating area and what have you over here where Tam can do her makeup and stuff. We've got the air cons and everything's all fitted. Basically this is the master ensuite. So this is our ensuite bathroom. It's a little bit bigger, and yeah, I think it looks quite nice. Like I said, it's pretty much the same sort of setup as what we've done in a previous place. We quite liked it, so yeah. So we're going through, and I'll show you the other bedrooms. So this is bedroom 2. This is just overlooking Tam's mum's garden. So we'll just open that up and have a quick look. So lovely sliding windows, air cons in every room. So yeah, so this one's bedroom 2. This is like what I'm calling the communal bathroom. So it's basically just a mirror image of the other one. Only thing different in here is the actual cabinet itself. Apart from that, There is electric on at the moment. There's a LED lighting to go up in here, and there's also one to go up in our bedroom as well, which needs to be switched separately from the fan, which they are going to be changing. So yeah, so this here is the front room. If you wonder what the cables and all are, that's going to be for my surround sound system at a later date. So yeah, but let's just pop out and I'll quickly show you the herringbone tiles. He's doing a very nice job of them. Now they, as these are done, the tiles are actually angled to come back, to fall back to these drain points, as you can see there. That's so if it rains and when the rain hits it, it will literally, or it should just take it back and you know, put it to drain, if you like. So we'll go in this one. This is bedroom 3. So this is bedroom 3. Got a lovely view out the back there. I must admit, I do like this bedroom. Can see them over there chopping the sugar cane. Basically what they're doing with that sugar cane at the moment is they are cutting it down, and what they'll do is replant it and sell it. We're basically just, well, that's where Tam is at the moment. She's sorting out, we're doing, I think it's 6 or 9 rye of sugar cane ourselves this year. Right then, okay, so this will be the kitchen. They have literally just about to order the kitchen. I must admit, I'll be glad when the kitchen and everything's sorted. They've got a bit more tiling to do on the breakfast bar out here. So hopefully they'll crack on and get that done soon. This area in here, there will be a fridge, freezer and a chest freezer in here. Couple of cupboards up on the top wall there. And then basically this will basically be like a little bar area at the moment, until I build the bar outside, which, like I said, I'll do that at a later date. So let's pop you outside. This is basically one area out here where it doesn't get too much of the sun. It's very shaded out here. It's very cool. So we'll just show you around. So it's all coming on. Now we've had a bit more work done out here. The ladies and gents out here are basically, they're putting some extra steel up onto the beams out here. Just basically to shore it all up, and then there's going to be like a bracing cross section which is going to come both ways. So they're basically up and doing that at the moment. Just basically to shore it all up, because it did have a bit of a wobble to it, unfortunately. So yeah, they're cracking on with it. Okay. But yeah, they're doing a very good job of it, if I must say. Like I said, they've just basically tacked texture onto the side. They'll obviously clean it all down and sort it out, and then what they'll do with the other bit over there, they will put like a cross section in, which that cross section will hopefully shore it all up and just stop it from moving side to side too much. We noticed there was a lot of sideways movement. It's very strong above, but it wasn't very strong from the design for some reason the other way. But it needs to be extremely strong because it's having a full solar system on the top of it. Obviously once that is done, then we can look at getting the solar system ordered. So right, so I think that is about where we are at the moment, guys. I'll turn you back round. Yeah, so now that's about where we are at the moment. I've basically, I just want to sort of turn around and say thanks once again to everybody that has liked and subscribed over the last couple of videos. I really appreciate it. It's really helping me and the channel out. If you could give us a like, give us a comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I mean, we got the driveway starting in a couple of weeks. Like I said, once the driveway's done, we've got 2 gates to put on, and then we'll be looking at having a bit of a party and moving in. So yeah, exciting times ahead, guys. So that's it from me. So please, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? It'd be really much appreciated. You'd be really helping the channel out. So on that note, I'm going to leave it, and I'll see you on the next one. So take care of yourselves, guys, and take it easy. See you later. Bye bye.